Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn robot class. Okay, how we can use the robot class in Selenium. Okay, there are some additional functionality available. Okay, in the robot class like mouse functions and key functions. Okay, those cannot be achieved without robot class. So those we will discuss today, and that is also a very important interview question. Okay, so please practice it and also subscribe my channel. Okay, if you didn't subscribe it, so I'm uh, uploading the video regarding Selenium Java test ng, and in future I will also upload regarding SQL API testing. Okay, so please subscribe it, else whatever the video I will upload, okay, you will miss it. Okay, I think it will help you in future. Okay, if you are an automation tester, or if you have the aspiration to become an automation tester, then you must subscribe it. Okay, you must go through my videos. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve it. Okay, so we are using test ng, so that's why I have used at the rate test annotation. As of now I'm given enable equal to false. Enable equal to false means this method will not get invoked, this test case will not get invoked. Okay, by default it is true. Okay, if you are mentioning enable equal to false, so that time these test cases won't get executed. Okay, whenever we are executing the whole suit, okay, or in a single class, there if there are couple of methods like that. So this method we have created key when delay screenshot capture mouse wheel. Okay, like that. And then we are using Chrome option. Okay, so using Chrome option we can achieve many functionality. Okay, many advantages, like to maximize the screen. Okay, using maximize the screen that we can achieve using the Chrome option class. Okay, so here we are creating a reference variable, and then we are doing add arguments, and here we are mentioning start maximized. Okay, suppose we are giving incognito, then incognito will get triggered. Okay, in the means script will run in incognito mode. So there are different functionalities. So I will create separate video on Chrome option. Today I am not going in detail. Okay, so then we are creating a reference variable, that is driver dot get driver web driver equal to new Chrome driver, and here this Chrome option we have to pass it. Okay, if you didn't pass it, then it will not start in the maximize mode. Okay, so we have to pass it. Then we are opening the URL driver dot get, this URL we are opening it. Okay, so I have already opened it. Okay, so this is the URL already open. Okay, then what we are doing, then we are using driver.find by.css selector, css selector locator we are using, and we are giving placeholder equal to search. So we are trying to locate this search text. Okay, so here if you could see placeholder equal to search is available. So in the search text box we are locating this element, and then here we are sending the send keys Mac. So we are searching the keyword Mac. Okay, then robot keyword we are using, right? So with enter also we can do that, but how we can enter? Whenever we are searching for any element, right, in any of the website, we are giving the value in the search box, and then we are giving enter. But in automation testing, how we can give the enter? Okay, we can give the enter using the robot class. That is what I am explaining. Okay, so then we are creating a robot class. Robot class is available java.awt package. Okay, if you could see java.awt package robot class is available, and then we are creating a reference variable r1 equal to new robot. Okay, then what we are using r1 dot key press. Okay, so we are pressing the key, and the syntax is key press within bracket key event dot vk enter. So we are pressing the enter button, and then we are releasing it. the way we are doing manually, that way we are automating. So it is very simple, just need to understand. R1 dot key press within bracket key event dot vk underscore enter. In the same manner, R1 dot key release key event dot vk underscore enter. Okay, so if you give a dot here, all the key functions, okay, we can do. So sometimes this question is asked how we can do f1 f2, okay, these functions f12, so that also we can do. Okay, f1 f10 f11, like that we can do. This type of question will be asked. Okay, how we can press that button, okay, using automation testing. Okay, so that way you can, whatever the keyword you need to be entered, okay, that you can do. So we are using enter button. So now we are giving max. Suppose how it will work here. Suppose we are sending mac and give a enter. This is happening. Okay, done. Then R1 dot delay. So delay means what? From the name we can understand delay is delaying the execution. The way we are using thread dot sleep in a robot class, the delay method is available. Okay, and it delaying. So 3000 millisecond or 3 second. Okay. Then what are the other function we can use? So then we are using mouse wheel means scrolling up or down. So R1 dot mouse wheel, whatever the value, so 15 unit it will scroll down. And then we are delaying the execution by 2 seconds. And then we are using mouse wheel minus 10. So minus any value means it will scrolling up. Okay. And then we are giving a delay of 2 seconds. Then we are taking the screenshot. Okay, so this option also available. So to use the capture screenshot capture, okay, using robot class, we first need to create reference variable of rectangle class, then only we will be able to do. Okay, that is also available in the java.awt rectangle package. Okay, so here we are creating a reference variable, and what is the input? So here if you see, okay, it is taking x value, y value, width and length. So rectangle it is creating. So screenshot will capture in a rectangle format. Okay, and then we are using this method. R1 is the robot class reference variable. This method we are using create screenshot capture, and here we have to use buffered image class. Okay, buffered image class variable. So it will be stored in this format. Okay, so that is also available in the java.awt image buffered image. Okay, so then we are capturing it, and this rectangle value we are sending here. Okay, and then this is in this format, we means in this way we can take the screenshot image dot write. We have to give the source. Okay, here we are giving the source, so whatever the value or variable name we will be giving, that we have to pass here, and then the format png and the new file. So dot screenshot here. So under this folder in the current directory dot forward slash, it is the current directory, and in this folder in this name it will be stored .png format that we are giving. So it is throwing some exception, IO exception, so that's why we have to handle it in a try catch block. Okay, and then we are closing the browser. Fine, so this is one. Okay, so let's see it, then I will come to the other two methods. Okay, so as of now I'm giving it as true. This is false. Achha, this is also we have to give false. So let's see. So browser is open in the maximize mode. Okay, So then we are searching Mac, we are giving enter. Okay, it is scroll down and scroll up. Okay, so it is passed. Okay, one pass. So let's see if we taken the screenshot or not. Okay, so screenshot is robot 101. Okay, so this is, we have to refresh it. Okay, so we refresh it. Okay. Robot 101, double click. So this is the screenshot, it is getting captured. Fine. So this is, our code is working fine. Okay, now I'm coming to the next method. Okay, I'm just giving it as wall. Now this is another method. So what we are doing here also we are, means initializing the web driver, maximizing the screen. Okay, and using implicitly wait, then we are driver.navigate.to. Okay, so there are certain difference between navigate.to and driver.get URL. So that, for that I will create a separate video, so I am not going into that, but in this way also we can open any URL. So we are using driver.navigate.to and we are giving the URL. Okay, and then again we are creating the object robot r1 equal to new robot. Okay, okay, so we are creating an object of robot class r1 and new equal to new robot. Okay, then we are doing mouse move, and here we are giving x and y value. Okay, so this value, so mouse will be moved till this value, x and y value. Okay, then what will happen, then it will wait for 3 seconds, and then in the same manner, the way we were doing key event, in the same manner we are doing mouse event. So here we have to give r1 dot mouse press, so we are pressing the mouse, input event dot button one down mask. So this is, we are clicking on that link. Okay, and we are releasing it, and then we are delaying it, and then we are quitting from the browser. Okay, we are closing all the browser. So just open this website. Okay, so this means this mouse will mouse move, this means till this one. Okay, so while we will do the execution, that time we will get some idea. Okay, so here we are, what we are doing, it is mouse we are pressing, so we are just pressing it. So if we press, this page will come, so that we will able to see. Okay, so let's run it, let's see it. Okay, so we are for maximizing. Okay, mouse is coming to that, it is wait for the delay, and then it clicking on that. Okay, and then it got closed. Okay, so press is pass is 1. Fine, this is done. Okay, this is this method also I explain. Okay, then I'm coming to the this one, third one. So this is, I'm now keeping as true. So here we are doing right click. So this is the website. Okay, so open it, let's see what is happening here. Okay, so this is the website. So we are creating an object of robot class, we are moving till that. Okay, so same I think, yeah, 630, 180. Okay, it is 610. Okay, little bit x coordinator, fine, then it will delay for 2 seconds. Then this one, mouse we are pressing button 3 down mask. So button 3 means this is the right click. Okay, button 3 means it is the right click. Okay, so we are pressing the mouse button and we are releasing the mouse button. Okay, right click, and then we are delaying. Then what we are doing? In the key event, we are giving down. Okay, vk underscore down. So we are pressing the down key button. Okay, we are pressing and then releasing. So that we are doing twice, right? And then we giving a enter. So let's see. Suppose X, so like that it may be. So we are right clicking means this. Okay, then one and then two, and then we give a enter. So it is opening in a new window. So that is our objective. Okay, so let's see what we have achieved using this code. Okay, and then we are quitting the browser. Okay, so let's run it. It is test enable equal to true or false. Okay, enable equal to true. Let's see. Okay, so mouse is coming. Okay, right click happen. Okay, new tab, new window. Now enter. So it is entering, it is opening in a new window. Okay, so our code is working perfectly fine. Okay, so these are the advantages. Okay, in robot class, so this type of question can be asked. Okay, so what are the facilities? Okay, what are the advantages using robot class which cannot be achieved in Selenium? Okay, so like mouse event, then key event, we can handle it, right? And there are delay. Okay, so we can take the screenshot, and we can scroll down, scroll up. Also we can do mouse move. Okay, so these are the methods available. So please practice it and let me know if you need more clarification on this. Okay, just practice it, and please subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe it. So whatever the video I will upload, so those will be helpful for you in future if you are working as an automation tester, or if you have the aspiration to move from manual to automation testing. Okay, everyone started their career in testing as a manual tester only, then they move. Okay, so this type of video, and my video duration also very short. Okay, so I don't think it will take much time. Please practice it, and please subscribe my channel and click on the bell button. Okay, like my videos and also comment your thoughts on this. Please share with your friends and family, whoever need it. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Tomorrow again I will come with a new video. Okay, thank you all.